Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today you will learn the poem My Playmate. This poem is written by Mary I. Osborne. So let's get started. In this poem, Mary I. Osborne, she has described the shadow of a person to be his ultimate mate or friend. In this poem, he has described a boy who calls his reflection or his shadow to be his playmate. So let's read the first stanza. I often wonder how it is that on a rainy day, a little boy, just like myself, comes out with me to play. In the first stanza, the boy is wondering that how on rainy day a little boy who exactly looks like him, boy, who actually the reflection of the boy, who thinks to be exactly just like him and who considers the reflection to be his playmate, appears on every rainy day to play with him. Now the second stanza. And we step in all the puddles when walking through the town, but though I stand the right way up, he is always upside down. Students, in the second stanza, the boy is saying that when he is walking through the town, he steps on all the puddles. Here, puddles means a small pool of water. Children, you must have seen when there is a rainy day, the water is filled, the rainwater filled on the pitch of the road. It exactly looks like the puddle. It exactly looks like a small pool of water. So the boy is saying that although he stands while roaming in the town when he see himself in the puddle, although he stands a right way up, his image, his playmate is always upside down. So students, that's all for today. I hope you all understood this poem. This is the first part of the poem. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you could be notified whenever I put any video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.